Alright, y'all, up in JD Sports yet again, and y'all, look, I got another early look, and y'all can tell by this box what this is, bro. Hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, tap into my people at JD Sports if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get up into this early look of this upcoming Ja. Let's go.
They fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology.
So if anybody know me, y'all been watching my videos, I have got 0 Ja's. But this one right here is the one that I wanted. And by seeing this in person, first time, bro, y'all might be on the same boat. But let's go ahead and take a look at this sneaker. You got the Ja box right here. It's like a baby blue colorway. You got the Ja logo in that platinum silver. You have Ja logo right there, Nike swoosh right there, and then this is the size tag, and the color is Cobalt Bliss metallic silver. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to legit check that pair. Go right here. We're gonna open this thing up. You do have 2 sets of paper in here. This paper says Nike basketball. You got the address right there, game next generation, so on and so forth. We're gonna open this up, and we do have, I don't even know what these call. I think these are all stars, metallic silvers. I don't know, but these things, nice. Look at this, y'all. Ooh, man. Yeah, these Ja's fire, bro. As you guys can see right here, you got the 12 on the back end of it. This is like a baby blue and a light blue colorway right there, dark blue right there. Man, these things fire. That platinum silver. Y'all look at that silver swoosh right there. Super fire, bro. You got the Ja logo on the tongue and that navy blue right there. On the bottom, you got that crazy traction right there in the dark blue. Just iced out, man. These things so fire, bro. Look at these things, bruh. Like, just take a second and just look at this sneaker, bruh. Am I bugging when I say these things fire?
Nope.
These things are so fire, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you the other one. Here you go, the other one right here. Exact same thing. I will say this, the price point on these are a little bit more, but they don't come with no extra laces. Like, I've looked at this pair, and this pair does not come with any extra laces, bruh. So it's crazy. Got the Ja logo on the inside right there. Super clean sneaker, bruh. Sizing on these things definitely gotta go half size to a full size up on these if you are looking or interested in copying these Ja's. Man, these crazy. These right here are absolutely crazy, bruh. I feel like they should have gave us some extra laces. Let me double check. Let me look around. I don't see no extra laces. I mean, lace tips on here. That's kind of cool. Silver. No other laces anywhere in this box, bro. So that's crazy. But yeah, man, y'all comment down below. Let me know. I think these drop All-Star Weekend as well. Retail gonna be a little bit more. They keep hiking up the prices on these Ja's as they go along. But these things are fire. So y'all let me know down in the comment section. This is gonna be something you're gonna be copping. I already know the saying, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember everything you talk about, including these early looks. These Ja's just bait. With me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
Get they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got